What's up, everyone? This is my 2011 Avalon, and I just got some new tires on it, and I kind of wanted to show you that. These are the General G-Max AS-05s, if you can read that there. It's the 215/55/17, and I mean, I just got them yesterday. You can still see the markings on them. So I picked these up for a few reasons. One of them being that it was time to get my other tires replaced. Previously, I had the Michelin Premiers, I believe, and I've had the car for a year and a half, and the previous owner put those on and they did well last winter. But you know, I drive the car a lot of highway miles and stuff, so the tires were wearing down, and got them measured and it was at 3/32, so it was time to get them replaced. So I did some research and figured out which tire I wanted to buy and how I wanted to go about it. So I saw a bunch of recommendations for, you know, a bunch of different tires, Michelin Premier being one of them. There was a couple other Michelins as well. I believe a Cross Climate, and then a different type of Pirelli. I think it was a P0 Ultimate Ultra High Performance All Season or something like that. I don't remember. There was a bunch of different ones that were recommended over a bunch of different forums and such. So anyway, I ended up running across these Generals and looking on the reviews on Tire Rack, because I was pretty much set on the Pirelli P0s. Then I compared the General G-Max to the Pirelli P0s, and they were just a better rated tire on Tire Rack. The reviews seemed just generally better. I mean, obviously everyone's gonna have their negative experiences, but the reviews seemed generally better, and the performance ratings were higher on them. So I was like, okay, well, I think these were like $15 less per tire. I was like, okay, let's do that. So what I ended up doing is using discount tires, like price match service. I forget what it's called exactly, but they have a price match thing where you can basically go in and, you know, tell them where you saw the price lower, put in all this information and whatnot, and they'll respond to you, see if they'll match it. Anyway, they said they would match it for me. I had found it at $91 a tire, and they basically said that they would match it for me. So I went in and I asked for it, you know, for them with certs and stuff like that, and they weren't able to do that. So I ended up paying a little bit more. I think it was like $120 a tire or something like that, but it was still cheaper than they had it listed on their website initially. So overall, so far, impressions, you know, I can only tell so much just from driving it for, you know, 50 miles since I put the tires on it, but they're good. I like them. You know, it's unfair to be able to make a comparison for new tires versus tires that were completely almost worn out. So I mean, these do grip a little bit better. I feel different, you know, going around corners and whatnot. They're quieter, but that's generally going to be expected with a tire when it's brand new, generally speaking. So overall, I like them so far. I'm stoked with them. I think they're just a good looking tire. Yeah, I don't know. I guess we'll see how they perform in the winter with the few days of snow we get and some of the rain. So that's just the update I wanted to give y'all. And yeah, again, these are the General G-Max AS-05. If you guys do want specific updates at, you know, time intervals, I'll be happy to do that. But until then, here's just the initial day one with them.